Ready to power up your pen testing? Discover the top 5 Linux distros every ethical hacker must know, in just 3 minutes. Hi, I'm your name from your channel name. In today's quick guide, we're breaking down the top 5 Linux distributions designed specifically for ethical hackers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools will enhance your hacking toolkit. Kali Linux tops the list as the industry standard for penetration testing. With a comprehensive suite of security tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and Wireshark, it's the go-to distro for professionals. Next, Parrot OS offers a lightweight, privacy-focused environment with robust tools for vulnerability assessment and digital forensics. Its sleek interface is perfect for ethical hackers on the move. BackBox Linux stands out for its simplicity and efficiency. With a streamlined interface and curated tools for penetration testing, it provides a user-friendly yet powerful platform for hacking. For advanced users, BlackArch Linux offers an extensive repository of over 2,000 tools, allowing deep customization and tailored security testing. It's a must-try for those looking to push the boundaries of ethical hacking. Finally, check out Name of Emerging Distro, a rising star in the hacking community known for its innovative features and performance optimizations. It's gaining momentum for its user-centric design and unique approach to security. In summary, whether you choose Kali for its all-encompassing toolset, Parrot for its lightweight privacy focus, BackBox for simplicity, BlackArch for depth, or Emerging Distro for innovation, each of these Linux distributions empowers you to take your ethical hacking to the next level. What's your favorite Linux distro for ethical hacking? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe to your channel name for more cybersecurity insights, and share this video with fellow hackers. Thanks for watching.